Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to enable raise to wake in your Realme 5 mobile phone. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you only have to do is go to setting in your Realme 5 mobile phone. And okay guys, here in settings, okay, scroll down and find the convenience tools. Okay, click this. And okay guys, here in convenient tools, okay, you can see the gesture and motion. Okay, click gesture and motion. And okay guys, here in gesture and motion, okay, you can see in motion the raise to wake. And on the right side, you can see the switch button. And to enable this, okay, you all have to do is switch on the switch button. And okay guys, to disable this, okay, you'll have to do is switch off the switch button. And I decide to enable the raise to wake in my Realme 5 mobile phone. And okay guys, that's it. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.